All right, got a moment of truth here. So the bolt I stripped on the water pump, I got a special piece here from my friend Bud. You just hammer it over the bolt basically. So it goes kind of like this on the head. Yeah, you just hammer it on there, and then once it bites in, then you can just turn a ratchet and get it. So I got it on. Let's see what happens. Hopefully the bolt doesn't break. I'm gonna be soft with it. We'll see. All right, here it is. You can see that bit is on there, and I hammered it over the head of the bolt. Got that hooked up to a 20-inch extension. So just gonna put the ratchet on it, and then we should be good to go. The rest of the bolts are off the water pump, so at that point I can take it off, start cleaning the surface down. We'll see how it goes. All right, that worked perfect. So yeah, when it's hammered in there, you can see what it did to the bolt. But it gripped really good, and you can see how badly stripped it is. I mean, it's basically a circle in there. But yeah, I'm so happy. And the bolt itself, you can see that's all rusted up. So I mean, this is gonna have to get replaced. But I'm so happy right now. The actual pump, even though all the bolts are out, it's gonna take a little while to coax it out of there. Probably gonna have to hit it with some PB blaster, kind of gently tap it with some hammers here. There's still the hard line to it too that I undid the bolt for. I don't know if we'll have to undo it on this side too, and you know, properly take that off or what, but I'll get to that later tonight. So I'm just so happy to get past this part. Got the water pump out. So I actually had pulled one of the wrong bolts, and so I had to go back and just do that real quick. Yeah, I accidentally pulled that one. Had to go back do that one. But yeah, so check this out. This is pretty bad. So here, that's where it meets the block. You can see just how oily it is, and the car's definitely got massive oil leaks, so I got to fix that. And this is still wet all along here. So when you look inside of it, it looks like oil got into the water pump too. Just looking at, you know, this on my finger, it's you know, nasty. I didn't set it down or anything, so I mean, it's straight from here. When you look inside there, yeah, this is just all oil on here. Yep. So gonna have to clean that up, but at least everything's ready to go. Just have to clean it. I'll get all new washers and bolts where I need to get new bolts, and then I'll be ready to put the new one in. So really happy about that.